Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram not letting you share posts to story. So as you can see here, there's a post here and you can see here the heart button, the comment button, and the share button, which is in the icon of a paper airplane. So once you click that share button, you can see here the add post to your story. So that means that you can add this post to your story. So let's try doing that. And yes, I can add it to my story. But on some cases I can't do that, then that just means that that user that posted that post is a private account. So let's try that. So as you can see here, this is my account. This is a private account because of this padlock icon in here. And when we try sharing this post or story, as you can see, only you can do this, then that just means that only the user can do that. And if you're not the user, like for example, you're following another private account, then you can share their post to your story because they're the only ones who can do that. However, if that's not the case to you, then what you need to do is head over home, go to Play Store or App Store of your choosing, and then search for Instagram and see if you can update the app. If it is an updated version, then there's nothing that you can do. If it is not updated, then you can just update it. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.